As a full-time woodworker, I make mistakes, some of them big and some of them small. What I feel defines me is my ability to resolve these issues and never make the same mistake again. This is a basement bar that we did last year. On the back side of the island, we made a decorative shaker panel. As you can see, the weight of the countertop has caused the panel to bow and eventually split the mitered edge. Now, in hindsight, I should have made sure that the decorative panel was not proud or taller than the base cabinets themselves. Additionally, I don't think I used enough glue on the mitered edge, but I'm almost glad that I did not because it broke rather cleanly, so it'll be easier to fix. So, in order to fix this, I'm going to take my multi-tool, make a relief cut where the panel meets the countertop. My main goal is to make sure that there's enough space between the decorative panel and the countertop for expansion and contraction to ensure that this fix lasts. Now, I'll caulk that gap and paint it once everything else is repaired. Once the relief cut has been made, I can already tell that the panel moves back into its original position with no resistance. I did not want to take the panel completely off as the opposite end mitered edge held really nice. So I'll shoot some power grab adhesive into the gap and along the mitered edge, add some screws and clamp it. Now, I'd normally not use screws on a project like this, but I want to make sure that it's secure and stays put. I already have to do some puttying anyway, so I'm not really concerned about the extra effort of making those look nice. If you want to see the finished product or more videos of me making mistakes, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you're notified when the next video is uploaded. Thank you very much for watching.